In today's video, I'm going to be doing some hacks using these decorative trays here from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these. They're nice quality. They're I believe this is ceramic, and the color, they have two colors, this gray color and like a more off-white color with these speckles in them, and they're perfect as is. These are one of the items that the Dollar Tree puts out that you can use as is around your home, styling on your table. They're very heavy. The kitchen, the bathroom, they're great as is, but I'm going to change them up just a little bit to style them for the spring. I'm going to be pairing this first hack with these candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using two of them, and I'm going to be using some fix-all glue along with some hot glue to secure them down to this decorative tray. I want to say I apologize for my voice. I've recently gotten over the flu, and I haven't got my voice back quite yet, but I do feel great. I'm also collaborating with some friends of mine today. So this video is part of a collaboration where we're going to be bringing you some spring decor, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that shortly. I want to say welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. My name is Jenny, and I create budget-friendly home decor DIY hacks that's very easy to do. And so I'm super excited for these DIY hacks because I am throwing my sister a tea party for her birthday this month, and these are going to be some of the decor pieces that I'm going to be styling on the table. So I'm excited for that. So I'm going to be spray painting this. As I mentioned, you can leave these as is, but I want to go in with this blush, this really light matte color blush pink. And then once I get that complete, I have these picks here, and I believe these were from Michael's on their clearance. I think I paid maybe $1.99 for these picks, and I'm just pulling them apart so that I could attach them down to the base and around those candle holders using some hot glue. I think this project would be really cute if you decorated your bathroom for the spring and use these as two brush holders. It's something I'm going to keep in mind. I think this is so pretty. Now I want to tell you about the collaboration. So today I'm participating with a spring decor collaboration with some of my friends, and we have Ari from DIY with Ari, May from Craft Away with May, and Lolly from Lolly D's Creations, and myself. I'm super excited to see what these ladies created. So don't forget, after watching this video, check the description box for the information so you can head over to their channel and see what these talented ladies has come up with. And if you have come visit me from their channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy today's video. So as you can see, I'm just going to continue going around the base using pieces of these picks that I poured off, and I actually think I am going to create this to style in the half bathroom downstairs. I like to have extra toothbrushes for if my sister or my nephews or any family members stay over and they forget their toothbrush. I think this would be really cute as a toothbrush holder. But I'm going to be using it as a candle holder and styling some of the battery operated candles from the Dollar Tree in them, because as I mentioned earlier, this will be part of the table decor for my sister birthday tea party that I am so excited about this month. And so I think this is just a simple way to use those trays. I didn't do too much. You can leave everything the color that they come in and just kind of find pieces from the Dollar Tree to match, but I absolutely love this blush color, and I love how this little table decor piece turned out. I just popped in some of the Dollar Tree battery operated candles, and I think this is beautiful for the spring. And so I wanted to create a bigger one that's more like a centerpiece, so I'm going with this round one, and I'm going to give it one coat of that same color spray paint. Now I did pull out some of those battery operated candles because I want to remove the base that's inside of the smaller ones, and so I'm just going to open them up and take out the base from the pack. It's 2 in each pack, and I'm just going to hot glue them down randomly to the tray now that I have spray painted it and it has dried. And I'm just going to use these really pretty florals that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to attach them to the bottom, making sure that I leave the little bases that I tack down free so that I can pour those candles out when I need to switch out the batteries. And I absolutely love this one as well. What I love about these trays is they're so sturdy and they have this nice high-end look to them. So this is a really nice high-end piece without it being flimsy or anything. And I'm not going to do too many different florals. I want to keep this one really pretty because I think this one will be in the center of the table for my sister tea party. And I will be creating more items for her tea party and posting some pictures from that, so stay tuned because I'm super excited. My sister absolutely loved tea, and when she was going through her health issues, tea was one of the things that kept her going. We used to sit up at night and drink tea together because it used to settle her stomach, and it was a moment for us, and I just thought this would be perfect for her birthday to celebrate something really pretty. It's the spring, and to have different kind of teas and just celebrating with family and friends. So I'm excited for that. So I've added the different size. It was 2 sizes of the candles, the LED candles. I added those into the little bases, and what you see me doing here is just adding in a few more of those leaves here and there to just bring in a little bit color. As I mentioned, I don't want to do too much. Now the lights from those candles are 2 different colors. The smaller ones are like a white light, and the taller ones is like a flame light, but I'm okay with that. I like the mixture of the colors, and I think this was simple, but it's a good use of the trays from the Dollar Tree. Now, of course, I was going to do a tier tray with these. So I have 2 of them, and then I have this candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I was going to use one of the other ones that I have, which is this one here, but I thought this one had a little bit more room since these trays are so heavy to keep it together, and I'm using a combination of the Fix-All glue and hot glue to put this together. So I'm just adding it to the bottom of the candle holder, and I'm going to place it in the center, and then I'll add some glue around the top, and then I flip the other tray to the bottom. I did it this way so that I can have an idea of more where the center of the tray is, and then I'm going to let that dry, and then I am going to change the color of this, but I'm not going to do a full coverage of this white, just a light coverage, and then I'm going to style it with some cute little teacups, my little bunny, and my little miniature teapot, because this will also be styled at my sister tea party as well. I think this is perfect for the spring, and I absolutely love using these trays from the Dollar Tree. I want to say thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you like these DIY hacks using these trays from the Dollar Tree. And remember, this video is part of a collaboration with some friends of mine that are so talented, and I'm so excited to see what they have come up with. So don't forget to check the description box below for all of the information to their videos and their channel. Until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.